Hey everyone, welcome back to LakeTube. Today, I'm diving into the top 10 applications of Python, from powering billion-dollar companies to running cool side projects. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll see just how versatile Python really is. Let's get into it. First up, web development. Python's frameworks like Django and Flask make it super easy to build scalable, secure websites fast. Companies like Instagram, Pinterest, and even NASA have used Python for web apps. Next, data science and analytics. With libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Python is the go-to language for analyzing and visualizing data. It's used in finance, healthcare, and sports analytics, basically anywhere data lives. Number 3, machine learning and AI. Python dominates machine learning and AI. Thanks to TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and PyTorch, you can build models that recognize images, predict trends, or even generate text. Automation and scripting is a huge one. Tired of repetitive tasks? Python's perfect for automation. From renaming files to scraping websites or sending automated emails, a few lines of Python can save you hours. Game development? Yep, Python's got that too. With libraries like Pygame, you can create 2D games and learn the basics of graphics, physics, and logic. In cybersecurity, Python is used to build tools for scanning networks, testing vulnerabilities, and automating security tasks. Ethical hackers love it for its flexibility and power. Want to build desktop apps? Python's got you with libraries like Tkinter, PyQt, and Kivy. You can create custom software that runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Python even runs on tiny devices. In IoT, it powers Raspberry Pi projects. Think smart mirrors, home automation, or mini robots. In finance, Python is used for building trading bots, analyzing stock markets, and modeling risk. It's fast, powerful, and trusted by quants and analysts alike. And finally, Python is everywhere in education. It's often the first language taught because it's easy to learn and read. Plus, it's great for prototyping new ideas quickly. So whether you're building the next big app, automating your life, or diving into data, Python has something for you. Which of these applications are you most excited to try? I'm diving into the top 5 Python libraries every developer needs to know. Whether you're into web development, data science, or automation, these libraries will turbocharge your projects. Let's get started. First up, we have Pandas. If you're dealing with data, think spreadsheets, CSVs, or massive datasets, Pandas is your best friend. You can filter, group, merge, and analyze data with just a few lines of code. It's a total game changer for data wrangling. Next, we've got NumPy. This is the backbone of scientific computing in Python. Need to work with arrays, matrices, or advanced math functions? NumPy handles it all, and it's way faster than vanilla Python. Essential for anyone working with numerical data. Number 3 on the list is Matplotlib. When you need to visualize your data, this is your go-to library. You can create line graphs, bar charts, scatter plots, and even 3D graphs. Perfect for turning raw data into clear, insightful visuals. Coming in at number 4, Scikit-learn. If you're into machine learning, this library is pure gold. It's packed with algorithms like decision trees, linear regression, clustering, and more. And the best part, they're all easy to use, even for beginners. And finally, we have requests. This is the king of HTTP in Python. Whether you're building a bot, pulling data from an API, or scraping the web, requests makes it super simple to send and receive web requests. It's a must-have for any web-related project, so there you have it. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and requests. 5 libraries that will take your Python projects to the next level. Dive in, start coding, and watch your productivity soar. If your code looks like a mess of hieroglyphics, you need Python. It's the secret sauce behind web giants and AI marvels. Python is beginner-friendly. Its syntax is as smooth as a Sunday morning. Think of it as learning English before diving into Shakespeare. Easy to start, tough to outgrow. But it doesn't stop there. Python powers web giants like Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify. Thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask, developers can whip up secure, powerful websites in record time. Now let's talk data and AI. Python is your go-to for crunching numbers and training machines. From predicting customer habits to building the next chatbot, Python is the foundation. Got a boring, repetitive task? Automate it with Python. Rename files, scrape websites, send emails. Python can handle it all, boosting speed and efficiency. And did you know? Researchers adore Python. Whether it's climate modeling, biology, or astrophysics, libraries like SciPy and Jupyter Notebooks make experimenting and documenting a breeze. So, tech enthusiasts ready to embrace the power of Python? dive in and let this versatile language open up a world of possibilities.